Hi everyone, I show you how to help my mommy with clips and what is that?
Headbands.
And headbands.
Yeah, we're gonna put it here.
Because it's my birthday, guys.
It's your birthday. You know, it's your birthday. Ayan, yung lagayan niya ng mga clips and headbands na ilagay na rin natin yung kanyang ayan, birthday daw niya. Gusto niya lagi niya everyday birthday. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Put here. Not like this. No, this. Ay! Oh. Okay, let's help Erwin. Okay. Like this. Press here. And keep there. Oh, I'll do it na lang. Give me other clips.
I like the baby one also.
Okay, put here. Okay.
Wait.
Oh, give me some. Where are the others? Here. Yeah. And here. No more space. What else we have? Okay, let's do it in the other side. Okay.
Which was I want. Let's draw in the wall. You cannot supply.
That is your headband when you're 1 year old, I think. No 1 year old pa nga parang months old.
Beside you, the black one, the black bus.
Okay. So hindi na natin nalagilad kasi masyado na siyang crowded. The final look. Ayan, yung mga Timo finds natin. Ito. Ayan. And here.
For me?
Yeah. That's
I love
for
it.
you.
I want a picture also.
You want to take picture or say hi to them? Go there. Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. I show you how to use my party.
Use my party. Why? It's your birthday?
Yeah.
Oh, birthday daw niya. Everyday birthday.
1 cloud, 2 cloud,
Okay.
3 cloud, 4 cloud.
Da 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 da.